This is textbook question number 14 from exercise 2.1. We have to find the principal value of tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. So what I have done, I have split them into two parts. Let's take tan inverse root 3 as x and sec inverse minus 2 as y. Clearly, here x belongs to, as you should know the principal value branch, it should be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, non-inclusive. Now, from here, we can say that if tan inverse root 3 is equal to x, clearly tan x will be equal to root 3. Now, we know that root 3 is tan pi by 3. And as you can clearly see that pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can say, therefore, the value of x as pi by 3. So I mark it as equation 1. Now coming to the next part, we have taken sec inverse minus 2 as y, and we should write that y must belong to, this is sec. So the principal value branch is 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Now, similarly, we can write from here, this is sec y can be written as minus 2. And for 2, we know it is for sec 2, right? That is pi by 3. But we know that sec is negative in the second quadrant. So what should we do? We should write sec y. Sec y is equal to, say, minus sec pi by 3. And to write it in the second quadrant, it should be written as sec. Second quadrant, you know that in second quadrant, we write an angle as pi minus theta. So it's pi minus pi by 3. So we get sec y is equal to, this pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Right. So from here we got y. We got y as 2 pi by 3. Now what we'll do next, we will be adding these two angles. I'm adding this as adding 1 and 2, that is x plus y, right? So this is x, which is pi by 3, and y, which is 2 pi by 3. This is minus, right? There is a minus sign, so it's not plus. So if I subtract pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3, this would get minus pi by 3. So therefore, we should declare this is equal to minus pi by 3 as the answer for this.